Are you kidding? That's a right turn only lane, you fuck. Look at this. Unreal. Never ends. I don't know if you could see that, but that was an Explorer on the opposite side of the road that smashed into the wall and was facing the wrong direction. It is about 50 degrees out. Nothing is frozen. Just throwing it out. Wow. There's a car all the way, I don't know if you can see this because it's dark and foggy, but there is a car up on the grass that's to the right, up the embankment. And again, it's like 50 degrees out, so there's no ice, just people being stupid. Look at this. Wow, he took out a pole and everything. Airbags deployed. Shit. Nissan. Another car in a fucking ditch. Another car in a ditch. I don't understand. I just don't understand. What it is that these people do. It's raining. I've seen like 3 people spin out and lose control. Well, not actually, but the repercussions of them losing control. It's winter and it's raining. So if your tires are fucking bald and you're driving around in winter with bald tires to the point that you're losing control in the rain, there's a problem. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was a person in the road that guy swerved to miss. In all black, in pitch black. Holy shit. Road's flooded. This guy probably went through and hydrolocked, so he's broken down. Because, you know, Toyotas. Definitely hydrolocked. It's unbelievable. Rain. Nobody knows how to drive. He's just a great driver.